Welcome to Melodies TV, Ghana's #1 social platform.
It's here for me mamuni akwaba eba Melodies TV so Ghana's #1 social platform. Now I'm saying me babontin be kan sembi say 2020 one personality a nkrofo attacking upon JJ Rawlings. 2020 nkrofo abonechiye Osha na Kelvin Taylor de ne de ba NDC fo bi de ne omo de ba NPP fo nso no more critique campaign against him na de ema ebe crowning all the attack eye buka NDC penyin ba ko a ye friend Professor Kwamina Ahoy wo betroye ne kwani book no na wutie mu nsem a uredi wi a it will paint a different picture of Rawlings to you. Ebia na book no unye bi enkenkan ya mebobọ nsem bi so a wakan ye wo book ni mu na Rawlings so e de nsem bi aba betudwa wo susu se that is the underlying secret in tia ye this book ni ba say ye ba begu ono Rawlings ho fin me read nsem a Rawlings wo de tudwa atrem na ye hu na book a eye Professor Kwamina Ahoy otro ye no title eye Working with Rawlings na kre Professor Kwamina Ahoy oyobi atete no na woni Rawlings eye one. In fact, the Ahoy family, almost your brothers, say Ato Ahoy and Kwamina Ahoy. I stand to be corrected, but yeah. Now, womuni obi anomone Rawlings na a year juma pan. In fact, say Atamils kra eba NDC muno. The Ahoy family and a Rawlings de juma na show monsa. And a womuni Atamils e ko kasa ya Atamils ebe kan NDC ho na Atamils no womba politics mukra. Intino even if omunya hekra na hu the influence they had. Na o true book, Professor Kwamina Ahoy true book. Na book na what no can say bebre e fa Rawlings so. One story I can say Rawlings sebe wakochi NDC penyi bi emia sebe prejas and hwewamba ananka Rawlings NDC penyi no nanka oyewu. O can say story no. Oye no sanso ka stories bebre. Say Rawlings ye say na Rawlings say na wakasa etia Atamils no edu baby na Atamils ka be resign na wono ene eye chikata ene tena ase ena atrese wo mo ne Atamils kasa ya for be 4 hours and na Atamils one resign nti wase esiwie ye no ena wono ene chikata na enya plan say da bisisi ano wo mo bepe enkola bia say Rawlings ba bontin ebedi Atamils atema enkola ne nso ebe fire Rawlings because wo mu hu say Rawlings ade ba kwa wo chi wo wiase mu no say wo be kasa na akola nso asanso akasa etia wo no Rawlings no nti asemo a wo kan wo book ni mo say wo mu sheda trainee okuja to abla akwa fifi kwete ene sa NDC enye fifi kwete okuja to abla akwa ni Felisofosu kwachi ene other people are NDC young boys are cheso mo ano ye din a wo mo kasa no asemo a Professor Kwamina Ahoy kan e wo book nim so mo sheda no mo training san crofo no se Rawlings e ba na obe fire Atamils na nkola no so akọ social media na nkola na media akọ fire Rawlings nti it work asemo a wo kan wo book nim so sa ade ni ye ejuma nti Rawlings be fire Atamils na nkola no so akọ fire Rawlings ni sa Rawlings e chin sa ade ni nti Rawlings e be focus on nkola ne so na afi we jai Atamils na enoka ma okuja to abla kwa mo ba bonte be ka se san nsemo a Professor Kwamina Ahoy throw wo book nim no ntro but ono de watro na de e wo book mu oye no sanso kan sem bebre say Rawlings no wo kunkun nipa unnecessarily inti no wo mo kan Rawlings kasae e ma nipa na no wo kun wo mo no se wo njai na ehu hia adan na sebe uni reason bia now because e ka se wo kun nipa unnecessary na tese won shede ni reason bia na why de na wo kun nipa o kan san sem ni me se book ni de o read wi a be hu ne say yes o kan sem e fa Rawlings so na yes na Rawlings ka say san sem a Professor Kwamina Ahoy tro e wo book ni mu ni na no say Professor Kwamina Ahoy they want to capture NDC for themselves won be so mo ya no mo overtake NDC nti na wa shada atro san sem na egu ono Rawlings fi na Ghana for maye ntie no ne kre nkrofo ba bonte be ka say sa de na Professor Kwamina Ahoy ye no wrong timing because mo hwe say election year na wan kasa na wo kan say wo NDC wo do NDC na wo ye NDC ni na wo hwe na NDC kwa akon pa wo say time wey na wo be release book na to say indirectly wo pese NDC lose ema NDC fu ankasa so ba bonte be dissociate themselves from the book criticize the book no say that be ntwa ye because omo hu say ase de e kono omo hwe ya book no begu omo kra omo animu ase. Now Rollins about bonte na Rollins dey ade asem ababeto just say the timing of the book ade a Kwame Nahoi were planning a plan. I said there is nothing ill-timed about Kwame Nahoi serving Dankwansiri soup at this time. Say Obi Beka say bia Kwame Nahoi we ye na dwen say na one planning and was say or the book name by this time was that be ade a watena se a planning e dey same way na na you read in some Rollins said it to just say there is nothing ill-timed about Kwame Nahoi serving Dankwansiri soup at this time. Na Dankwansiri soup no meaning at the crop. Now, was he needed to knock down Rollins to preempt the exposure that Rollins' book, The Triumph of Evil, promises to reveal about some of them. And so Rollins about Bontier better, and me personally, I didn't even know this. It's Rollins say Kwame Nahoi book will release. The main reason, and they say Rollins no, and so be releasing the book. Now, no Rollins the book, no the title, The Triumph of Evil. Not as I said, no Rollins will be this in Yamabone so. The Triumph of Evil. I don't know whether he was referring to himself, but no Rollins will be releasing book near The Triumph of Evil. Now, M say or no Rollins ever releases our book Nintino. Kwame Nahoi when ya mpopoye enyantiye. Into a share that they were no Kwame Nahoi ni book no. A year working with Rollins no. Or share that the book ne buy. Not to say after Rollins since so ever Canadian aka so it sounds like Kwame Nahoi can say we found na also I that go through book won so be can say ma fan that be. It was said that was the main motive. Because no Rollins was going to reveal or no Rollins the book now will be releasing he was going to reveal some of the evil things some of them Kwame Nahoi and Nkrofo aye e wo NDC mu. Was the people like him do not expect the MPP to let go of 2020. So they are hoping to utilize the opportunity of a loss to damage Rollins with some vicious manufactured stuff. Into wakan wamunim sani anseme kono oya na tre say MPP wini 2020 na MPP wini a na aka say ene Rollins hunti ni aya de gu Rollins hu fi say wonu hunti ene NDC lose 2020 election no because in some way wo mo aka for no Rollins no o say word that we use here and say vicious and manufactured stuff na tre say in some way enimu ena ya shada abo ano ne e de count Rollins so tre say intwato so no Rollins say a yintwato so and Kwame Nahoi what they are to so. Was see the cunning calculation is that Mahama and his running mates will step aside after 2020 while they consolidate their control over the party and provide their own flag bearer and running mate for 2024. Until Rollins say planner Professor Kwame Nahoi or Nen Nkrofo afane say Mahama lusu 2020 elections now. Mahama and the running mate, Professor Jenano Pokwadimai, they will step aside because in Crawford can say, wait, yes, Mahama Lusu, I won't stand it, Mahama Lusu, I won't stand it. In just someone walk and say, Mahama Lusua. Ebema Mahama and the running mate now step aside. Now, ma, one no Professor Kwame Nahoi and Ankasa Mwaya, no more the Omankasa flag bearer back. Now, woman, the Omankasa flag bearer ban so it sounds like woman Rollins and you're finding indirectly, no say we've cut Rollins off. I say my Rollins say can no. To a so short time, our woman the abba say yeah, baba to abba. Now we be release book way. Now we be my confusion at TSC NDC moi. Rollins say the master plan. Nini na no. It's here for. Hey. Very interesting. I see that is the master plan behind the whole thing. I don't know whether you are believing what former President Rawlings is saying. I don't know whether who say we are now. I don't know, but the Rawlings are true. Opposed here, Twitter and there. As Rawlings post here, Twitter no, and then I may read their tremo. Montreal Madrid comment box to mo. Send me this is very interesting. Montreal Madrid comment box me for that's it.